it's Ryan and welcome to video number 1. I would like to take 1 minute to tell you about my story because I believe that if you know who I am, you will trust me, and if you trust me, you will use the information that I'm about to share with you. So I wanted to take 1 minute, I'm not going to bore you, to tell you a little bit about myself and my story. When I was a kid, my father would come home tired from a long day of work. He would take off his gray jacket, bend down, look me in the eyes and tell me, Ryan, always give your best at school so that one day you get a good job you enjoy. So I studied hard, I graduated, and I found a job in the bank. My father was happy, but I wasn't happy. Every day I would dread going to that job. And I kept thinking, I want to travel, I want to be my own boss, I want to make my own decision. I eventually decided to quit and move from my hometown in France to London in the UK. I was full of excitement, I was ready to conquer the world, and after 6 months I was working in a pub. I got really depressed. I kept going from dead-end jobs one to another. I lived in a tiny room with a window the size of a postcard, and I got really depressed. I got really depressed. But there was something inside me that would tell me to not give up. So eventually one day I received an email from an old coworker, and that email probably changed my life actually. It said, Ryan, I'm going to an online business event. I'm going to an event on online businesses. Would you like to come with me? But I said, why not? I'm unemployed. What do I have to lose? I went to the event, and I think it was in the afternoon. There were several speakers speaking about different aspects of online marketing and online businesses. But one of the speakers shared with us the concept of affiliate marketing, selling other people's product online and getting paid a commission every time a sale is made. And that concept of being able to go online, sell someone else's product and getting paid for it, it blew me away. It really blew me away. And I started to take notes like a madman. I went home, tried everything I learned at the event, and after 7 days, made my first sale as an affiliate for I think $25 or $27. A ClickBank product at the time. And that first commission changed my life. And since then, I think it was January 2009, since then I never looked back. I was able to replace my salary and much more, and then every year after that my income kept increasing. That allowed me to travel to more than 35 countries across Europe, Asia, Australia, North America, South America. On my journey, I met that beautiful woman in her green dress. We fell in love, and I proposed to her, and eventually we had a son. And that would never happen if I didn't start my own online business. So I wanted to share that story for 2 reasons. The number one reason is because you might be skeptical. You might think that thing doesn't work. Only a few can do it. That's not true. You can do it. If I did it, you can do it. Because the truth is, I knew nothing about online marketing. Zero. And I learned from scratch. And I just learned and implemented what I learned. And I got results. It didn't happen overnight. But I kept going and I got the result. And the second thing is, I want to stress the fact that you need to know why you want to start your online business. You need that fuel, because I believe you are like a Ferrari. But if you don't have any gas, you're not gonna go anywhere. I can give you the best map. I can get you the best engine. But if you don't have the fuel, the gas to burn, that motivation, that purpose, you're not gonna go anywhere. You're gonna stay on the parking lot. So please take a notepad, take a pen, and write at least 10 or 20 or even 30 reasons why for you it's a must to start a successful online business. And when you do that, after you do that, I want you to do something else. I want you to set a target, a financial target that you want to achieve in the next 3 months. For me at the time, when I got started, I wanted to be able to pay for my rent. That was my target. I was thinking at the time, if I can pay for my rent with my with affiliate marketing, wow, that would be amazing. If I can do that in the next 3 months, that would be a success. Because we see so many people, they go about it with the mindset of wanting to make a lot of money fast, and there's nothing wrong with wanting to make a lot of money, because the truth is you can make a lot of money as an affiliate. You can. But you can't do it overnight. You have to go by steps and build momentum and gain some velocity. So, after you wrote your reason why, at least 10, I want you to set a target, a financial target, a monthly or weekly or daily target that you feel in your heart is realistic, but also get you excited. And that must be something that you believe you can achieve within 3 months with diligent and focused work. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you're going to do the exercise. I'm Ryan, and I will see you on the next video.